Are you ready to take your camp cooking to the next level? Well, stay tuned, because today we've got a requested video. The JetBoil Genesis Basecamp Stove. Hey there, welcome back to Wonder Off-Road, the channel that's all about breaking free from the daily grind and immersing ourselves in the beauty of nature. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, this is the piece of gear you should definitely consider. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the pros and the cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your next adventure. But before we do, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you never miss an outdoor gear review and tips. Now, let's see what comes in the bag.
So what comes in the bag? You get one pot, one pan, one lid with strainer, the JetBoil stove, the windscreen, the propane hose connector, and a carry bag. Now, let's start with our pros. The JetBoil Genesis stove is very compact and ideal for anyone who overlands or car camps. The overall design is very compact and makes it easier to store inside your vehicle or in a camping box. JetBoil has some of the most efficient burners that you can find out there. The time to boil 1 liter of water is about 3 minutes and 12 seconds, meaning you'll spend less time standing over the stove and more time enjoying camping. The burner control makes it easier for you to simmer your meal or boil a pot of water in minutes too. The system is also JetLink compatible. The size of this makes very good use of the full-size pots and pans. Now, the method they employed during the design process results in exceptionally efficient burners, consuming less fuel than other camp stoves. It can rapidly boil 1 liter water in 3 minutes. In fact, a 1-pound bottle can boil up to 48 liters of water with this stove. JetBoils have been known to be some of the most reliable stoves on the market. The quality materials they use really means the stove will last for years to come. Setup and breakdown is a breeze. With a built-in igniter means you'll not have to carry any matches or lighter to camp. Plus, it's very easy to clean. Now, the cost for the JetBoil stove is $400, which is a bit pricey for most people looking to budget, but the cost is worth it when it comes to the investment of a quality gear. The other thing is, the stove weighs about 9 pounds, so it's not ideal for anyone trying to cut down weight in their vehicle. Now, the gas regulators have been known to be faulty, but JetBoil's customer service has stepped up and they replaced them free of charge. Also, the gas knobs themselves leave more to be desired, where on most stoves you have an indicator of how far you are along when it comes to opening up the gas. The JetBoil has seemed to left that out of their design. Also, the biggest drawback for the JetBoils is the lack of wind protection. It comes with a plastic cover to help shield from the wind from the burners, but the design leaves more to be desired. Plus, if you lose this cover, you're SOL. So unless your vehicle has a good cover around it, for cooking, it could be a challenge to cook your meal in high wind conditions. The JetBoil Genesis is a quality design cooking stove that can be a great asset for anyone wanting to improve their cooking for camping. With its drawbacks are few, the advantages outweigh them by a long shot. I want to thank you guys again for watching this, and if you like this content and want to see more of it, please hit that subscribe button as well. And don't forget to hit the like button too. A link for this product can be found in the description below.